Using the lower back hyperextension station to strengthen and activate your lumbar extensors. Start by adjusting the pad so that when you're leaning into it, it's going to be in the middle of your hips. So not at your hip bone, but just below, around the middle of your TFL. Step into the station, leaning forward into the pad and firmly planting your calves up against the back of the low leg pads. Reach forward, stretch out your lumbar spine. So you want to feel a stretch through your lumbar erectors and your QL. Lift your head, raise your chest, and extend your lumbar spine. Feel a tight contraction through your lumbar erectors and through your QLs on either side. From this position, lower back down and stretch out again. Lift, raise, extend, squeeze, engage your lats, and lower back down. You can use a light dumbbell, a plate, or a light medicine ball to help you strengthen over time, but I would suggest starting with body weight. That is using a lumbar hyperextension station to strengthen your lumbar extensors.